Okay, so friggin' turns out the old lady was hot rodding in a bunch of nails and stuff, so gotta fix her. So that's pretty much all you're gonna need. A reaming out antler and one of the antlers to hold the plugs, and yeah, so I'll just show you how to do that, and we'll get the tire back on the old lady's car, and then we cheat. Beg my pardon. So once you get the nail out, you don't want to ream her because this hole's not going to be big enough. But it's easier when it's full of air, and then the tire's a little more solid too. I make better ones than these, but you know, when you're in a pinch, you know, you can always use roofing tar if you're in a pinch. But anyways, then you got this antler. Hope, you know, maybe it's not quite, you probably won't have so much crap on it maybe, but I'll just smash that through there. Just like so, eh? Just like so. I'll jam her in like almost to the end, pull her out, fixed. Give her a little more chooch. You know, 700-800 psi should do. Cut your little antlers off with your wire cutters, and we'll go put it back on the car. So just so you know, it doesn't need to be off the car. The old lady had a flat when she was at work, so she changed the what you call it there, the donut on there, so we'll have to place that, and then we teach. Well, I thought I'd try this. Guy we were talking about Walchers one time, Walchers, and he told me that if you're in a pinch and you don't have one of these here chucking wheel antler, air chuck antler wheels, you could just jam the end of your antler on there. So I'm going to try it. I don't know if it'll work. I don't think it will, but the Walcher guy said, so let's try this out. Holy shit, it'll work! Oh, the Walcher guy, he wasn't shitting.
Huh.
Learn something new every day here at One Pug Life Entertainment.
Walchers.
Yep, Walchers. So here's a little tip for you. When you put your tire back away, make sure you fill it full of air, because 9 times out of 10 when you need it, she's flat. So you change your tire and you still need air anyway, so good idea to do that. But there she is, just got to put the hubcap back on, and yeah, old lady's car's good to go. Sat there all night, held the air, so away she goes. Got a little dark last night to finish filming, so whatever, away she goes. But anyways, I'll get this done, then we teach. Okay, old lady's car's all set there. She can do what she's got to do today, and so now we're off to Inwood. We're allowed to go to work now. Beg my pardon. So anyways, till tomorrow, don't let the Walchers get you.